Welcome all. Conclusions and opportunities. It was a tough time bringing speakers from various countries to a common platform. All speakers are experts in their respective fields and are glad to share their experiences to all the participants. I am grateful to all of them who invested their time and energy in making it a success. Women in Geospatial Plus was the biggest source of inspiration. This is our first step towards team building, which I am glad we could achieve. Thanks to all the participants. Hope you all enjoyed learning and had some good takeaways. Don't forget to fill the feedback form. We will continue on this platform for many more events in the coming months. Masterclass 2021 series will continue. We will inform the dates and timings as and when planned. Other activities will also be hosted on this platform. We encourage sharing of ideas, event hosting, and interaction among the geospatial community of women. We have 157 followers on Twitter as of now, and this program has been retweeted by 50 times on Twitter and liked 121 times. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love what you are doing or learning to do. Let us talk about the opportunities. These are the wonderful women behind the mentoring program, which is introduced by Women in Geospatial Plus. The importance of mentoring. Mentoring provides many benefits to the mentor and the mentee. Developing new skills and expertise, expanding your professional network, setting and reaching career goals, gaining insight across the geospatial sector, gaining new perspectives on old problems, providing support and act as a cheerleader, practicing leadership, improving the sector's gender balance. Women in Geospatial Plus, annual mentoring program, aiming to bring people together to grow and develop professional skills or geospatial career. All are welcome. Women, including non-binary and individuals from all underrepresented communities, can be a mentor or a mentee. Cis men are welcome to be a mentor. Supported 42 people in 2019, more than 100 people in 2020, and still growing in 2021. About the program, this is a 9-month program running from October 21 to July 22. Two types of mentorships are available. One-to-one mentorship, which is between two people. One is the mentor who provides mentoring. The other is the mentee who receives the mentoring. Group mentorship, this is a group of 5 people. All members provide peer mentorship organized by a group facilitator. Cohort events and projects run throughout the program. Mentorship project highlights. This was one of the projects which aimed to honor the woman. They mapped the path, started in the week of June 7th, and it recognized the women in mapping the path forward in GIS and geospatial industry. So GIS in this case means general information about who you are recognizing and what they do, why do they inspire you, and what is their specialty. These are the awesome ladies who initiated this event and showed the way to others. These are some of the highlights where women have been recognized for their work on LinkedIn. These are the highlights on Twitter. So apply between August 30th and September 19th, and other details will also be posted in Slack channel for your information. Let us look towards the greener pastures and work together. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can follow us on Twitter and email